Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the controller and making sure Windows recognizes it. Plug a good USB cable in first. This forces driver installation and firmware checks. Once done, open the Xbox Accessories app for Xbox controllers or DS for Windows for DualShock. Make sure Steam Big Picture controller support is enabled if you use Steam. These steps ensure the OS, middleware, and Steam agree on input, which prevents conflicting mappings later, and gets you ready to move into game-specific configuration. You now open GTA V and go directly to Settings Controls to select the controller profile. Tweak stick sensitivity and dead zone so low stick drift stops unwanted camera movement. Make small changes, test, and repeat. Enable or disable aim assist based on whether you prefer aim help versus raw input. If you use Steam or DS for Windows, load or create a profile that maps face buttons, paddles, and triggers consistently with keyboard shortcuts. This keeps driving. You finish by saving a stable controller profile and testing every core activity in free mode. Sprint, enter vehicles, aim, and toggle the weapon wheel. Make incremental adjustments if braking or aiming feels off, and export a backup so you can restore settings quickly. If the controller isn't detected, reboot, try a different USB port or cable, reinstall the controller driver, and confirm Steam input is set correctly. These quick fixes solve most detection and mapping problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.